Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video. So this is my DJI Osmo Action 2. This was my favorite camera all of 2022, and my battery actually died about 2 months ago on this bottom screen right here. Now I've been using just this top part here, probably for the last couple of weeks, and I have to basically stick this on here to charge it because I don't have another way to charge it. Now, Small Rig does sell a connector similar to GoPro that will go on this bottom piece where you can just plug this in, and I don't have to use this bottom battery, but you're only limited to 22 gigs on here. So it's kind of like using the Insta360 Go 2, which does have 28 gigabytes, but the image quality on this is a lot better, and I like how small it is to put it with this necklace. But this battery dying after only a year and a half, that is very disappointing, and I'm afraid, to be honest, to buy another battery, because then I don't know how much longer this battery is going to last. So it's kind of like one of those deals where you buy a battery to replace this, to stick this on, and then say 6 months later this died. Now I got a battery with no camera. So I'm just going to use it the way I've been using it, which is stick this on top, use a power bank to charge it, download the footage. Right now it allows me to get away with it, and I'm just waiting on this to die. When it dies, I'm just going to throw it away. I don't think I want to spend another $300 on something where the battery has a very short life. Now it could just be that I was unlucky and got a bad battery, but I have seen other reviewers talk about their battery as well, and this battery on this camera really doesn't hold a very good charge. I can charge this thing up today, go back and look at it tomorrow, it'll be down to 96-95%. So it really doesn't hold a charge either, whether I got a battery on it or not. So that's been my experience with it, and I did buy the insurance for this thing, the 2-year warranty, and honestly it did me no good to buy it, especially when you're overseas, because to ship it I gotta pay to ship it, to get it back I gotta pay to get it back. So it really did me no good. And then here they don't sell like the individual battery. In order for me to get another battery, I would have to buy a whole nother camera. And then if I go to Amazon or eBay to get another battery, it's like $75 for the one without the display. The one with the display is like $135 or $140. But because I'm in South America, there's another fee added on top of it. It ranges anywhere from $25 more up to about $75 more. So I would end up paying almost half of what it would be just to buy another camera. So that's why I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep using it the way I am until this battery and this thing dies, and then I'm just gonna throw it away. But I just wanted to share that, man, because I had someone ask me about this camera, and I haven't talked about it. I've had it for a while. Do I still use it? I'll still use it with this necklace, and I still think it's a great camera overall, and doesn't look like DJI is going to make any more of these because they've gone back to the old style of the original Osmo Action for the 3 and the 4. So it looks like this is going to be one of one. It's a shame because I do like the way this whole thing goes together. I like how small this is. I like that this is waterproof. And I like the image quality that comes from it. The last video I did when we were out at PriceSmart, and I'm showing you guys the outside being on the main street here, all those images came from this camera. So it is still very usable. You're just limited on what you can film, and you're limited because of the battery life on this thing. When you're shooting in 4K 30, this thing eats up battery like nothing. So I really don't use this camera as my main camera anymore. The camera that I use as my main camera now is my GoPro Hero 10 Black. I've fell in love with GoPro since I've been using it. Sorry about that shaky cam. And I've been using this camera now a lot more because of that. So I just did a video not that long ago talking about my GoPro Hero 10 Black, and I am having a lot of fun with this camera. It's just bulky, but it has exchangeable batteries. The batteries are a lot cheaper, easier to get. I did recently had to buy a new door for this because somehow I cracked my door, and you need that if you're going to be in water or being in the rain or whatever. And again, the cost, bruh. for what I paid for this door and what I could have got it for in the States is crazy. This door, not to just jump on this real quick, but I ended up paying almost 50 bucks for this door, and it cost $19.95 on Amazon. Plus the shipping, it would have been about the same, 50 bucks, where in the State it just would have been 20 bucks. So that's one of the prices that you pay when you live abroad. But other than that though, guys, when it comes to the DJI Osmo Action 2, I would tell anyone, you know, it's a great camera, but know what you're getting. Know about the battery life situation. Know that at least with the camera and the version that I got, this won't hold a charge very long. You're gonna have to constantly check to make sure this is still holding a charge. But image quality, I got no complaints overall about it. I think it's still a great camera, but just know what you're getting. Okay, guys? And then as far as these exchangeable batteries would be the reason I would tell people to stay away from it. You know, $140 just for this, or $75 for the one without the screen. That's an expensive price to pay, excuse me, when you can get GoPro batteries that are around 20 bucks, 25 bucks for the white ones that last pretty long. Okay, guys, so that's it for now. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.